The 2018-2019 KYMCO Xciting 400i. The Taiwan-based Kwang Motor Company grabs a slice of the U.S. commuter scooter pie with a machine that hit our shores in time for MY 2018, the Xciting 400i ABS. This all-new model replaces the outgoing 500 ABS, but retains the same sporty nature, professional looks, and eagerness in the corners that we associate with the Xciting family name. To top it off, the 400i powerplant delivers a claimed 35 horsepower to drive it up to interstate speed, which is of paramount importance in the American commuter market. KYMCO Xciting 400i design. KYMCO Xciting 400i chassis. KYMCO Xciting 400i drivetrain. KYMCO Xciting 400i pricing. He said, "This is an ambitious ride that will get pressure from some of the big-name Japanese builders that enjoy more name recognition than this Taiwanese mark, but I think KYMCO hit all the right high points with this model. Some riders may find the price to be too close to the real bikes out there, but in fairness, it's easier to handle than the bikes that fall in that category, and is still less expensive than, say, Honda's automatic transmission DCT models, but just barely." She said. My wife and fellow motorcycle rider, Alan Hinton, says, "The body frame is more rigid now and you can expect better performance than the maxi scooters of old. This new generation is agile, braking is balanced, and overall, you have a better riding experience. I used to think of KYMCO as lacking fit and finish, but they are coming out as a contender in the global market." KYMCO Xciting 400i specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.